Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful African Portuguese influenced Goan dish, which is called chicken cafreal. Delicious to eat and easy to make. So let's get started. Let's begin by making the spice paste. For that I'm going to take one big bunch of coriander along with the stems, and make sure you wash the roots really well to take off all the mud. I'm going to be using about 6 to 7 green chillies, depending on how spicy you want it. You can use that many, and a few curry leaves. So let's put this all in the blender first. Now curry leaves is optional. I like the flavor of curry leaves, and this will again give me a nice green color to my paste. That's why I'm adding. Otherwise it is not required that you put curry leaves. Take off the stem and add the green chilli. Now let's add the dry spices. Use about 10 to 15 peppercorns, around 6 to 7 cloves, around 2 inches cinnamon stick, around 5 green cardamom. I'm going to add 2-3 bay leaves. Next, I'm going to add about an inch or so of ginger and 1 pod of garlic. And now to this, I'm going to add just about red onions. 1 medium size red onion. Okay, just roughly chopped, because I'm going to any which ways make this into a fine paste. Alright, so my spice is all ready. All I'm going to do is add now vinegar, just about 10 ml of vinegar to blend my paste mixture. Add a little water if needed. Let's have a look now. It's nicely done. Alright, I'm going to now take this off. Now let's begin marinating the chicken. Now I've taken about 1.5 kilos of chicken. So first let's add little bit of turmeric. So I'm taking about 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to mix this. I'm going to add a little bit of pink salt, Himalayan salt, and I'm going to add the lovely green paste that we made. I'm going to put almost all of it and just leave a little bit, okay, and mix this with my chicken. So let's marinate the chicken first, and then I'm going to leave this to marinate for about an hour or so before I start cooking this. So I'll get back to you after an hour, okay? And in the meantime, I'm going to chop up another medium-sized onion so I can use it to cook with my chicken. Alright then, see you in a while. I'm going to take my cooking pot and heat it and add 1 tablespoon of 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add my chopped onion. Now once the onion turns slightly translucent, I'm going to add the remaining spice paste which was in my blender jar. Make sure everything is put inside. Nothing goes to waste. And don't forget that we're going to be adding a little bit water inside this to make sure that all the spice paste that we've made is out of the jar and nothing goes on waste, nothing goes to waste. And we also have some gravy. Once you've fried this for about 2 minutes, I'm now going to add my chicken which was marinating for about an hour or so. Okay. Just add the chicken. I've cut this chicken into fairly large pieces. I'm using chicken on the bone. You can use boneless if you want. You can use just the leg of the chicken or just the drumstick, whatever you want. Let this fry now. So make your flame to about a medium low so that everything fries and nothing gets burnt. Alright. As you can see now, the chicken is nicely fried and you can see the oil at the sides. Okay. At this stage what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my water. Okay. I've taken about 500 ml or half a liter of water. Depending how much gravy you want, that much water you can add. Okay. 500 ml is enough, just enough to cook the chicken now, and a lovely gravy that I can use to eat along with my steamed rice. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna now let this come up to a boil and then cover it and let it cook on low flame for about 15 minutes. The chicken now has started boiling. I'm gonna cover this now and turn my flame to low and let it cook for the next 15 minutes. Okay, the chicken has been cooking now for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to let it boil a little bit more and thicken the gravy. The chicken is cooked already. Just a little bit more to have a thick gravy. So here you go. The chicken is cooked now. I'm now going to serve this with my steamed rice and a little bit of cucumber at the side. Lovely sauce. So here you go. My plate is now ready. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the recipe. Do comment on it and press the like button and share the recipe as well. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this time at home during Easter. This is going to be a wonderful dish and delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.